To auscultate the anterior chest, take the same systematic approach you used for percussing the anterior thorax. If necessary, gently displace the patient's breasts to auscultate all important areas. Listen to the duration, pitch, and intensity of the inspiratory and expiratory sounds, decide what type of breath sounds you are hearing, and note any added sounds. If you hear heart sounds near the heart, try to ignore them while you concentrate on the breath sounds.
Now turn your head the other way and breathe deeply.
Now let's listen as the examiner auscultates.
Let's say 99 again.
If you hear bronchial or bronchovesicular breath sounds where they should not be, listen for transmitted voice sounds.